Is QVC legit? QVC, short for Quality Value Convenience, is a well-known retailer that offers products through television broadcasts, an online store, and a mobile app. While QVC has been a household name for decades, some potential customers still wonder about its legitimacy and reliability. This guide provides a detailed review of QVC's trustworthiness, product offerings, and customer experience. 1. Overview of QVC. QVC was founded in 1986 and is headquartered in Westchester, Pennsylvania. The company operates globally and sells a wide range of products, including home goods, electronics, fashion, beauty products, and jewelry. QVC uses live television broadcasts to showcase its products while also providing online shopping through its official website and mobile app. 2. Legitimacy and corporate reputation. QVC is a legitimate, publicly traded company under Karat Retail Group, which also owns other well-known brands like HSN, Home Shopping Network, and Zulily. The company is regulated by consumer protection laws in the US and has a long-standing reputation for reliability and product authenticity. Third, product quality and brand partnerships. QVC collaborates with trusted brands and emerging designers across various industries. Products are sourced from well-established companies, and exclusive items are often developed specifically for QVC customers. Quality varies depending on the product and manufacturer, but the platform offers customer reviews and ratings to help shoppers make informed decisions. Fourth, payment options and security. QVC offers a variety of secure payment methods, including credit debit cards, Visa MasterCard, American Express Discover, PayPal, QCard, QVC's credit card, EasyPay, an installment payment plan with no interest. QVC uses encryption technologies and security protocols to protect customers' personal and financial information during transactions. Fifth, shipping and delivery experience. QVC provides standard, expedited, and express shipping options within the United States and certain international regions. Delivery times depend on the product and location, but most orders arrive within 7 to 10 business days. Customers receive tracking information after purchase. 6. Return policy and customer protection. QVC offers a 30-day return policy for most products, allowing customers to return items for a refund or exchange if unsatisfied. The company also provides holiday return extensions during peak shopping seasons. 7. Customer service and support. QVC has multiple customer support channels, including phone support with live representatives, email and chat support via its website, social media presence with active responses to customer inquiries. 8. Common complaints and concerns. While QVC is generally well regarded, some customers have reported shipping delays during high demand periods, inconsistent product quality with some lesser known brands, return processing delays during peak seasons. 9. User reviews and online reputation. QVC maintains positive reviews for its reliability, diverse product offerings, and easy pay feature. However, negative reviews often cite shipping issues and product discrepancies, especially for high-demand items like electronics and seasonal decorations. Conclusion: QVC is a legitimate and trustworthy retailer with a proven track record spanning several decades. It provides secure payment options, a straightforward return policy, and reliable customer service. While shipping delays and product variability may occur, QVC remains a dependable platform for purchasing a wide range of products conveniently from home.